In this video, we'll be looking at section 5.3, the angle addition postulates. The angle addition postulates. And our essential question will be, how can I use the angle addition postulate to help me solve? And so what the angle addition postulate is, it's really stating that two adjacent angles added together will be equal to two adjacent angles added together will be equal to the larger angle that they are a part of. So this definition is a little wordy. I think the picture will do a lot better justice. So first we're going to draw an angle. Let's draw a big angle. So I'm going to draw an obtuse angle. Then I'm going to draw another leg of an angle right here. Now we'll label our angles. So I have A, T, Z, and we'll put M as our vertex. So I'm going to do some color coding. So the angle addition postulate is really saying that if I take these two smaller angles, AMT, and if I add to AMT, TME, it would equal A and Z. So I'm going to use some coloring. So if I take this red angle, like so, and I have this blue angle, like so. So we'll call the red angle AMT is red. Angle TME is blue. So the idea is if I add these two together, AMT plus TME, TMZ, it's a Z, not an E. If I add those together, I'll get the whole angle, AMZ. So what we're saying is that angle AMT plus angle TMZ equals the whole angle, the one I'm doing in purple. There's some art in there with it. Red plus blue equals purple. So now we have angle AMT plus angle TMZ, the red plus the blue, is going to equal the entire angle AMZ. So some like wording that helps me think about this is I say a piece plus a piece equals the whole. So this piece, AMT, plus the other piece, the blue piece, TMZ, those two pieces added together equals the whole angle. Okay, let's do some examples. Start off with a couple of easy ones. So my first example is going to be, say we have this angle. And we're told this angle is 35 degrees, and then this angle right here is 40, not 47, 67 degrees. Find angle ADC. Well, to find angle ADC is made up of ADB plus BDC. So we can say angle ADC is equal to angle ADB plus angle BDC. And now we can just plug in our numbers. Well, angle ADC is equal to, well, what does ADB equal? Angle ADB equals 35 degrees, and angle BDC equals 67 degrees. And we add those together and we get angle ADC is equal to 102 degrees. So the whole angle is equal to adding the pieces together. The piece plus the piece equals the whole. Little angles are our pieces, and we add them together to get our whole. Okay, let's do one more example. This time we're going to bring some variables in. Let's go x, y, z, t is our vertex. And I'll tell you that angle xty equals 2x plus 18. Angle ytz equals 4x plus 24. And then angle xtz, the whole, is equal to and angle xtz equals 108 degrees. And what we want to do is find what angle xty. Okay, so this is our given information, and then we'll do our work below that. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is solve for the variable x. So we'll use the angle addition postulate to set up our equation. So I'm going to take the little angle, xty, that's this one, xty, plus my larger angle, ytz. And if I add these two angles together, I get angle xtz. So the piece plus the piece equals the whole. And now we'll plug in our given information. Xty is equal to 2x plus 18. Just grabbing that from above. I'm going to put that in parentheses. I'm just using the parentheses to kind of like show me this angle is this, 2x plus 18. Angle ytz is 4x plus 24. When we add these together, it'll equal angle xtz, which is 108. Now we're solving. So we can drop our parentheses. And we're just going about solving. So we'll combine like terms. 2x plus 4x is 6x. 18 plus 24 is 42. And we're just solving. Subtract 42. And 108 minus 42 is 66. And then divide that by 6 on both sides, and we get x equals 11. Okay, so now we're going to take, remember, we always have to make sure we answer the question. So we solve for the variable x. We set up our equation, piece plus piece equals whole, and then we solved, plugged everything in and solved. So the second thing we want to do is answer the question. So I'm going to have to go below this because I bled through the paper a little bit. So number 2 is answer the question. So the question says, find angle xty from right here. That's what we were told to do. Find angle xty. So we got to find that. When we just figure out x equals 11, the variable x equals 11. So we know x equals 11, little x equals 11. So plug into angle xty and simplify. So we have angle xty is equal to 2x plus 18. And we have our x equals 11 from over here. So we plug in and we simplify. So we found that angle xty is equal to 40 degrees. And that's how we can use the angle addition postulate to help us solve. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.